So welcome to this special report from TechEast. We're here at Norwich Research Park and I'm with Howard Partridge, who's the Regional Manager for the East of England for Innovate UK.
So Innovate UK is the UK's innovation agency. We help businesses innovate. We provide funding, I think quite a lot of people know that, but also help to connect companies to the support they need to drive their innovation projects forward.
So Howard, what do you think is the best way for businesses to get engaged with Innovate UK, especially if they've never been involved with you before?
Well, I think don't start by filling in a form and applying for a grant. Get involved, like I said, with your peers in networks like TechEast. We provide expert advice through the Knowledge Transfer Network and through the Enterprise Europe Network, who can all help you to understand what the right solution to your challenge is, what the right money is, when the right money is, and possibly help to connect you to solutions instead. So it's very much about getting engaged and talking to people. But what I've just found is that companies in this area, New Anglia, are far less likely, they're a quarter as likely to actually apply for our grants as they are in, say, Cambridgeshire. So at the end of all that talking and networking, you do have to apply. You've got to be in it to win it.
Recently it's been announced that Innovate UK will be part of a new organisation, UKRI. Can you tell us a bit about the thinking behind that?
Yes. UKRI will encompass all of the research councils. Innovate UK was actually a research council all along, we didn't tell anybody, but it will encompass all of the research councils and Research England, which used to be the Higher Education Council for funding in England. So we're all joined together now in a bigger single voice for research and innovation for the UK. That's a voice that can speak to government, to other countries, and help drive up the UK's science and innovation performance. We're already excellent, but we need to get the amount that we spend collectively through government and through private sector up to 2.4% or more of GDP.
Do you think that the new structure of UKRI will enable more cross-sector, multidisciplinary projects?
Absolutely. The Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund illustrates that. Government is putting forward challenges to solve, not saying we have medical research to do or computer research to do or materials research. We're looking to solve challenges, and the boundaries between the councils, which were once individual organisations, are now much softer. We've collaborated in the past with things like catalyst funds, but now we can do that a lot more. As you say, digital underpins everything.
So on a day-to-day basis, will the changes mean anything's different at Innovate UK, or is it just business as usual?
I think for our customers, the business we want to support, it should be business as usual. We retain our name, we retain our function, we retain our budget, but as you said, we'd expect to see more collaboration going on behind the scenes, so less complicated wiring.
Okay. And lastly, Howard, why do you think that tech businesses in this area should join TechEast?
Well, I'm very fond of saying that innovation is a contact sport. I think it's really important to get together with people to understand your industry, to find the people you might collaborate with, and you and your colleagues can help to filter the large amount of information we transmit about all our competitions to help explain what's relevant, when, to know who else might be bidding and who you can collaborate with. So whether it's a tech group, an agri-tech group, a medical science group, I think getting together and connecting other people is really fundamental to good innovation.
So thanks very much to Howard from Innovate UK. If you're interested in getting involved in any of the Innovate UK opportunities we've discussed, check out the TechEast website where we regularly publish updates about the latest competitions, follow us on Twitter, or read our monthly newsletter where we will alert the community as to any new opportunities. Thanks very much.